respected principal sir, honorable teachers, and dear friends. It's my honor to have this responsibility to give you a warm welcome in today's special assembly. Before I invite the next team for the presentation in the skit competition, I would like to convey artist thank to a respected principal sir who has given permission to organize this skit competition, which will definitely prove very inspiring for us. With these words, I invite students from 11th and 12th class from art stream to give you a wow presentation on the theme of fundamental rights. Please cheer up the team with a big hand.
Good morning, respected principal sir, other honorable teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here for a skit competition, and it's my proud privilege to be narrator of skit of my theme on the theme of fundamental rights. So I, Tarsha, am here as the narrator of my team and requesting you to give kind attention to us to motivate us. Here my team is ready to start. Please put your hands together for my team.
Attention, attention, attention.
Hello, attention.
Hey, attention. Hi, attention.
Please, attention.
Dear teachers, dear friends, kindly listen to us. Listen? What should we listen? What do you want us to listen? Come on, answer us.
Who I am? Don't you know me? I am the constitution of this country. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is my creator. He designed me. You, and you. What do you know about me?
Constitution of India? What is this? And how it is useful to us? Come on.
How is it useful to us? Come on, don't you know about it? It is really very sad. This year we have celebrated 75th Independence Day and our constitution was implemented in year 1950. I am shocked to know that there are many people who don't know anything about Indian constitution. They have no idea of their constitutional rights and duties. What? Right and duties?
Yes, right and duties. So today we are here to make you aware of 6 fundamental rights provided to all the Indian citizens as per its constitution.
Now let's move to our first fundamental right, in which you will see a father, a daughter and a son.
Papa.
What happened here?
Papa, I want to go to Goa.
What? Goa, why?
My school has organized a tour to Goa and I want to go on this tour.
No dear, you are a girl. I will not allow to go such distant places.
Papa, please.
No, go to your room and do your work. It is not good for girls to go anywhere without family.
Papa.
Oh, my dear son, where you were?
Papa, I was enjoying with my friends.
That's good. Now tell me, where are you planning going this summer vacation?
Papa, we have planned to go to Goa.
Goa? Wow, it's very nice place. You should go there.
Papa, I want 20,000 rupees to enjoy my holiday there.
20,000?
Yes, Papa.
Okay, take it and enjoy yourself.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Papa, I hear you allowed brother to go to Goa and not to me.
Shut up. You are a girl and a girl doesn't have right to freedom go anywhere without family.
So, but if I'm a girl, so I also have right to freedom. I can also live my life freely.
What? Right to freedom?
Yes, right to freedom.
Right to freedom. Right to freedom. Right to freedom.
Now let's move to our second fundamental right, in which you will see a lame and a gentleman.
Hey, are you blind? Can't you walk properly?
What happened, brother? You can walk properly if I can't.
How dare you to talk to me like this? First you knocked me down and now you are answering me back. How dare you? Spoiled all my clothes, you lame.
It is not my fault if I am a lame. God has made me the same. But if I am a lame, I am also a human being like you.
Like me?
Yes, like you. What is the difference between you and me? You are an Indian and I am also an Indian. And we both are given equally rights. I have also right to equality.
What? Right to equality?
Yes, right to equality.
Right to equality! Right to equality! Right to equality!
Now let's move to our third fundamental right, in which you will see two goals. One is rich and another is poor. Hey you, what are you doing here?
Yes, I'm here. Why are you so surprised?
This is the best college of the city. Here only the children of rich family can study. So why you have come here?
I have taken admission here for my higher studies.
But you have taken admission here. Your father will not be able to bear the expenses.
Say whatever you want. Our government is helping me for the same. I have got a scholarship.
Scholarship.
Yes.
Okay,
a
with your
scholarship.
scholarship, you can study here. But what about your further studies? It will be useless for you because your poor father will not be able to bear the expenses of your further studies.
You don't need to worry about it. I want to become a doctor. I want to serve my nation.
What? Doctor, do you have any idea of expenses of this field? It's a daydream for you. Work up and live it. Your father will not afford this.
No, I will fulfill my dreams. Education doesn't discriminate between rich and poor. It rests in the hands of dedicated students. And I also have right to education.
What? Right to education?
Yes, right to education.
Right to education! Right to education! Right to education! Now, let's move to our fifth fundamental right, in which you will see a lamb, a master, a servant, and a neighbor.
What are you doing here?
Sir, I am cleaning this room.
Would you clean like this? So dirty. See here, how much dust is here. You have not cleaned it properly. You have don't sense of doing work.
But sir, it is all clean.
How dare you reply me like this?
Stop, stop. Why are you beating him?
He is my servant. I can't treat him the way I want. Who are you to interrupt me?
I am a responsible citizen of this nation and you can't beat him like this.
I pay him, so he will do everything I ask him to do.
You pay him, so he is your employee, not your slave, and you can't treat him like this. It is illegal to treat any employee like this, and he can complain against you as our constitution has provided all the citizens right against exploitation.
What? Right against exploitation?
Yes, right against exploitation.
Right against exploitation! Right against exploitation! Right against exploitation! Now, let's move to our next fundamental right, in which you will see two young girls and one young girl.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Here I will make a temple of my god Ram.
What? Here you will make a temple of God Ram? This is not your place. At this place, mosque will be constructed.
No Hindu religion, go away from here.
Why should I leave? You should go from here. Mosque will be constructed here.
No, temple. Mosque, temple.
Mosque.
Temple.
Stop, stop, stop. Why are you quarreling with each other? Why do you wish to divide this place on the name of religion? Don't you know our constitution had provided to all the Indians right to freedom of religion?
What? Right to freedom of religion?
Yes, right to freedom of religion.
Right to freedom of religion! Right to freedom of religion! Right to freedom of religion! Now let's move to our last fundamental right, in which you will see a police girl and a boy.
Stop, stop, stop.
Why? Can't you see the red signal? Don't you know what does it mean? You are to give fine for violating traffic rule.
Sir, I am in a hurry.
So what?
Let me go from here.
Pay fine first and then go.
Sir, you don't know who I am?
Come on, who are you?
My father is an SP.
So what? Now you should pay double fine as your father is an SP. You have more responsibility to follow traffic rules. Show me your license.
License, why?
Because rules are rules and they are equal for all without considering power, position and status of anyone. All have right to constitutional remedies.
Right to constitutional remedies.
Yes, right to constitutional remedies.
Right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies.
So dear audience, here you have been glimpses of our 6 fundamental rights, which give equality to all the citizens of India. Besides these fundamental rights, we also talk about some duties also. One is right and another one is duty. In the end, I will just say, live and let live. Live and let live. Live and let live. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Have a nice day.